All right, let's go on to the next online shopping concern. I can't tell if the clothes will be genuinely comfortable. This quality is can be defined so many ways based on the woman's lifestyle, what's influences. So what is comfortable? That is the first question, follow-up question I'm going to ask if you were in front of me in my office or a virtual call. What is comfortable to you? Is it breathable? Is it softness? Is it stretchiness? Is it conservative clothing without being so revealing? Is it gracing your skin? Like, what is comfortable for? Is it all of the things? Like, you need to define comfortable for me. I want us to all be on the same page. As you kind of can see, my brain kind of goes left, and I just want, as a stylist, as a service provider, I just need to be on the same playing field. But I can't find clothes that are genuine. Yeah, so once you define what comfortable is to you, like what makes something comfortable for you, is it because it's soft and I am looking for something to lounge around in the house? Then you need to gather all those things that you define as comfortable, what you are wearing it for, and then go directly to that site. So as I listed, you want something soft and to lounge around the house. So look for brands that are targeting or concentrated on loungewear. So that is what I would tell you to do. You kind of need to, I'm dissecting these things for a reason so that you can kind of, oh, I didn't realize I don't really have a definition for comfortable for me, for you. Not what the dictionary, but what is comfortability for you and what is the reason for you wearing it. So as a stylist, that is where I would start so that we can go about looking for things that are comfortable so that you can kind of eliminate that ease. So I hope that was helpful. Maybe you can start doing that on your own. If not, definitely comment down below. All right.